Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and today we're going to be making Piña Colada Popsicles. The ingredients are pineapple, cherries, condensed milk, coconut milk, coconut flakes, and coconut extract. Our first step, we're going to put all of our ingredients into the blender. Guys, look down below for the ingredients and everything. Now we're going to blend. My favorite part about Piña Coladas are the cherries. And that's why I'm adding cherries to the popsicles. Now I'm gonna add 2 cherries to each popsicle. Now we're gonna add our mix to the popsicle molds. I want to do a special shout out to my friends, Diogo and Thais. Thank you for being so supportive and always commenting on my videos. And it means so much to me. Thank you. I'll see you tomorrow. I can't wait to try them. Hi guys, it's the morning and the popsicles are ready. Let's take them out. My favorite part, the taste test. Coconutty. Pineapple. And very sweet. I can't wait to get to the cherry. I'm on the cherry. That is so good. It's super yummy. I recommend you guys to do this at home. I want to give a shout out to my cousin Christian. He's the one who told me to do this. Guys, don't forget to subscribe. Cowabunga.